How's it going, fam? Another session with you guys. Now, as you guys can see, we currently have gold running, right? It's currently at 52 pips running. This is a trade that we did live with the community. Now, of course, I can't be trading big lot sizes when I'm trading live because then that will incentivize other individuals to go ahead and trade big lot sizes. So therefore, I just go ahead and put these small lot sizes on the live one over here so that way you guys can see them. And then obviously I'm going to go ahead and put the other lot sizes on my other accounts. But when it comes to this scenario, I want to go ahead and show you guys the before and after. This is currently where we had entered. This was the area that we were looking for potential entries. And you guys will be able to identify the before of that entry where we're looking to enter, and then you guys can also identify, where market is currently at based off TradingView, where it is that we had analyzed. So we did talk about a certain zone, which was a zone between the 1897.34 and the 1898.67. This was all in the live session that we had with the community. Market is currently running right now at approximately about, let's go ahead and check this out real quick. It's running at about 60 pips right now from the current entry that I had spoke about. Now, we did have a little gap zone that we were talking about for potential entries, and that gap zone was about a 12 pip gap zone where you were looking for, right? You guys can clearly identify this right here. If I go over to the 5-minute time frame, you're able to identify that I had spoken about this scenario, that I wanted the market to come back down to the zone and fulfill this little imbalance zone. Okay, there's an imbalance zone right over here, and you guys can see that it is half point of that imbalance zone, which is clearly where the market came down into, and then we had rejected to the upside. Now, understand that today is Friday, right? Market closes the day today. It is Friday 23rd. Market closes the day today, so we got to be very careful as far as, are we going to keep this trade running or are we going to get out of it? Me, personally, I'm going to go ahead and hop out of this trade towards the end of the day of today. Why? Because I don't want to be within this trade with all this uncertainty going on the day of today, right? Now, there was also a very, very nice, perfect scenario that had happened the day of today towards New York session, towards the open of New York session. And I want to show you guys that right now, right here, okay? So if you identify, there's a very, very nice level of supply and demand, right? Within this pair, which is gold. Now, I'm going to go ahead and enter right here a quick shade, which is going to be the rectangle shake, so that we guys can identify that supply and demand zone. Now, we have some very, very nice price action that was happening within that zone for this pair right over here. Okay, you guys can identify that there's some very, very nice price action. This is actually considered as a bearish tweezer tops. Now, I like to identify for some bullish engulfings or Maribozus. If you guys want to go ahead and know a little bit more about price action, let me know, and I would more than likely want to go ahead and provide that type of information on the YouTube channel. So there's a lot of stuff that's going to be coming in for the channel. There's going to be a lot of new videos. As you guys can see, I have written down a lot of subjects in here, so that way you guys can actually learn from that. So there's going to be a lot of great things coming up in the near future. I'm planning on doing 1 to 2 videos per day, right? Monday through Monday. Well, you can say Monday through Sunday, but literally it's going to be every single day. Okay, when it comes to that scenario, this is going to be for you guys to learn. This is going to be for you guys to be able to take advantage and overall to understand how it is that I trade and see that I don't trade every single day, but there is certain things that you can go ahead and grasp, so that way you can go ahead and practice, right? As far as back testing, stuff like that, I'm going to go ahead and input it on the following session. So if there's something specific that you want to go over, go ahead and let me know down on the comments below. And as always, please help me out with those likes. The more likes I see on the videos, the more likely I'm going to continue on doing this, because that is all that I am asking from Ian. So we're currently running about 57 pips on gold. Now, we also had silver that we were looking for up movement for a movement to the upside. Now, we're to expect gold to go up to at least this supply demand zone, but I would like for gold to actually continue all the way up over here to the zone. Now, this doesn't mean that I'm going to keep it running all the way up over there, but I do consider gold at least rallying up there before we can expect any other move. Okay, once it goes up over there, which will be for next week, then I'll expect some potential moves. So with that said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you guys want to go ahead and get more glimpse as far as being able to enter on the live trades when I'm trading live, feel free to fill out that form down below for the private mentorship. I'll go ahead and give you guys a call if you guys are fit for that, depending on how the application goes. If the application goes well, then I'll give you guys a call. If it doesn't, then we'll just go ahead and add you to the free Telegram. With that said, there's also a free Telegram link down below where you guys can go ahead and see the insights. I go ahead and inform you guys about certain levels I'm trading at, so that way you guys can understand where it is that I want to trade, right? I'm not going to give you that full signal, but I am going to give you insight as far as the trade that I am taking. So with that said, thank you guys for jumping on today's lesson. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.